I want to read this, just so I don't forget a word. It's what's exactly on my About section. And today is that day that I actually get to get on the road. So I'm reading this word for word as it is on my About section on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, because I think this is the perfect time to do that. It's a way of introducing myself officially. And I think since today is when I'm actually getting on the road, let me actually do this as I'm leaving. All right. My name is GodTCP. I was born in a small village in Meru County. I'll be on the road from this small village to South America, Meru to Iguazu. Testing out ideas, testing out ridiculous ideas with you, testing them with real people like you who dare to actually think differently. On the road because there's no other place that beats the road. Now, on top of the ridiculous ideas that I know you'll cook up, on top of the ideas that I know you'll come up with so we can include in the GodTCP recipe, here's some of my own ridiculous ideas we'll be testing out together on the road. Point and shoot commerce, GodTCP wallets, GodTCP walls, GodTCP wheels, the scrutiny cubes, GodTCP hawks, VHubs, and many more. I can go right ahead and patent some of these ideas, but seriously, who cares about patents when problems are hurting like an unrelenting toothache? What I believe is that by adapting some of these ideas, we can improve e-commerce by a mile. By adapting all 7 plus yours, I don't know how to describe what kind of a phenomenon that would be. Not a mic drop, not a slam dunk, not a gavel slam. I just don't know how to describe it. All I know is that it'll be pretty annoying for a few and dangerously impressive for a lot. Like a dog with a mouth full of clean sharp canines. Canines only. Both jaws, front to back. Imagine a dog with a mouth like that. How impressively dangerous would it be? Even more impressive, because this all canine-mouthed dog will not simply be a dangerous dog for the show. It'll be a no-nonsense dog with teeth that bite and actually solve major e-commerce problems we experience daily. But first, what is GodTCP? It's not a company, not a religion, not a cult. It's a mindset, a kitchen, a family, small and tight. It's a protocol like TCP/IP for the internet, but for trust in commerce, open source. GodTCP is made of interlocking ideas that effortlessly click together and make e-commerce work bodily smooth for the ridiculous few. Please check more details inside. They are ridiculous. I'm gonna grab this. Okay. I get that back. Okay. I lost it. Oh my goodness. I lost it. I lost it, but we're gonna keep going. I'm not stopping. This is happening live. All right, where is it? God, oh God, okay. I was here. Please check more details inside. They're ridiculous. So here's my question. Do you want to help model a ridiculous all canine mouth GodTCP dog that actually solves painful problems? Or do you want to stand in the way and starve it to death? Stomach get leave, man. Do you want to build a kennel for it or scare it away so it becomes a stray while your home continues to be broken into? For me, I want to build a home for this ridiculous all canine dog. I want to feed it full. I sold my everything and hit the road for it. On the road so I can find food, shelter, and water for it. I'll be honest with you. You could offer me a cotton soft job on Wall Street right now, offer me $1 billion a month as my salary, and I would say, no thanks. No thanks, because not because I hate money. Who hates money? But because this whole GodTCP thing makes me feel something the money can't buy. I'd say no thanks because the dog needs a kennel first. It needs food and it can't keep getting rained on anymore. I'll have to see this dog mouth opening and shutting, with sharp pointed canines from both jaws effortlessly coming together and cutting a lot of e-commerce challenges into two, tearing them apart. Even if it opens slightly, it'll be worth the effort, because even a 10-degree open would produce a solid bite. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm sick and tired of same old that continues to drag us deep in a hole. I don't know how angry you are at normal, status quo. I don't know how hungry for some change you are right now, but I'll tell you the truth about me. I'm devastatingly hungry for it. I'm starving for change. I'm hungry, angry, volcanic. That's why I'm on the road. Actually, I'm getting on the road at this point. So I'm opening this door and let's get out of here. This is my folks' place and I'm leaving right now, bro. So let's do this shit. Okay. Yeah, now I know change takes more than just anger, volcanoes, or just plain raw fury. I might be out here furiously motivated all I want. I might have some answers, but definitely do not have all the answers. That's why I'm on the road. On the road because I can't do this alone. On the road looking for you. Let me push this camera a little bit further because on the road because I can't do this alone. On the road looking for you, Meru Iguazu. Looking for solutions, looking to make the world better than I see it. Looking for you so we can do it together. Looking for your real face, a face without masks, a face without thick layers of filters. Only the road can provide that. That's why I'm on it. It'll be a long, tough, and difficult road, but sleeves are road. Let it be painfully difficult as it wants to be. We will figure it out. We will figure it out together. We will figure it out on this road. God's got us. Just why don't make this piece boringly long and tasteless? On our website, GodTCP.com, I dove deeper. I've gone further and demonstrated some of the ridiculous ideas that we'll be testing out together on the road and more. I've written everything in very simple and plain English. You will not need a dictionary. Check it out in your own good time. There's no pressure here. Let me end by saying, I don't know when we'll meet in person so we can talk about this over. We can talk this over face to face. But I know we will. I'll see you on the road, my friend. Meru Iguazu. GodTCP. Grandma gave us 2 thumbs up. Grandpa said, finally. I just read what's on my about section. One take. This is the point where I just this is where I've decided to just get on the road officially because of the GodTCP mission, as you can see right there. There's some crazy stuff going on here. I can't talk about all of it in this one little video, so I'm officially on the road. Let the journey begin. Meru to the Iguazu to meet people that e-commerce forgot. My name is sank. Let the journey begin, and may God bless this journey that starts right now. Meru to the Iguazu. I'll see you on the road.